want to talk about finding a solution to a system of linear equations. So that's what I'll be talking about in some of the other videos. But first I want to just give you a reminder or a short explanation of what it means when we say a solution to a system of linear equations. So I've abbreviated equations here. So we know that the solution to a linear equation, that just refers to a point on the line. Okay, so any point on the line. So if I'm thinking about y equals 2x minus 1, a solution to this equation is any x and y that makes this equation true. So one solution would be the y-intercept that I can read off from that -1. So 0, -1 is one solution. Maybe try and write down another solution. You know, plug in an x value, find the corresponding y value. Okay, so that's the solution to a single linear equation. The solution to a system of linear equations. This is a point that satisfies all of the equations, or it's a point on the graph for all of the equations. So in other words, a point at the intersection of all of the linear equations in the system. Okay, so when somebody is asking you for the point of intersection between two lines, they're really asking you about the solution to a system of linear equations. Let's see an example. Let's continue using our y equals 2x minus 1. And let me also use this other guy, y equals -x plus 5. So when I say, hey, what's the sorry, let's erase that, rephrase the question. What's a point of intersection Okay, that's the same as saying what's the solution to the system? And a lot of the time we write like a system sort of more vertically almost. Y equals 2x minus 1 and y equals -x plus 5. Okay, so let's look at an example where I find that point of intersection, or the solution to the system. So one method, so finding a solution, one method would just be to notice that both of these equations equal the same thing. They both equal y. So on the one hand I have y equals -x plus 5. On the other hand I have y equals 2x minus 1. So really I have 2x minus 1 is equal to -x plus 5. And now I can solve this Let's bring that x to the other side. That's going to give me 3x minus 1 equals 5. And if I bring that negative 1 to the other side, I'll get 3x equals 6. And dividing by 3, x has to be equal to 2. All right, and I'll let you figure out how to find the y value that corresponds to this, right? Because a solution should be both an x and a y value. So kind of as an exercise for you, how do you get that y value? Okay.